Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for your Crown Direct account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.crownhotels.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Crown Hotels. Click on the Login to Crown Direct option at the top right. And then, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your email followed by a password to access your account. If you're not a member yet and you'd like to sign up for an account, click on Sign Up Now at the bottom. Now, in order to create an account, register yourself by typing your first name, last name, your valid email address, password. Create a new password for yourself. Confirm the password by retyping it again. Enter your postal code and your birthday information on the last field and click on this little box at the bottom in order to agree to the Crown Direct terms and conditions. If you want to receive news and promotional materials related to Crown Direct, check on this little box at the bottom as well. Finally, click on the sign up button and you'll be able to create a new account for Crown Direct. Now, go ahead and check your mailbox that is associated with Crown Direct. Open up the same email inbox that you just registered with and make sure to open up the same email inbox that you just registered with. You'll be able to receive an inbox from Crown Direct. Make sure to check your promotions tab from your email inbox and once you are done, click it open. Verify your email address by clicking on this link and you'll be able to successfully verify your email as well. Your account now has been verified and you have successfully created an account for yourself. Now you can get back to the login page and enter your email associated with your account, password and click login to get access to your Crown Direct account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.